diversity does in inclusion, I firmly believe, and the research bears this out, allows for a greater innovation, that you cannot have innovation without diversity of thought, diversity of experiences. Innovation is a team sport. You have to have a high-performing team, and it's hard these days to innovate without having diversity amongst in our midst. And I think it is important and for us to be very intentional when we're thinking about diversity and inclusion around what does that look like, what does that feel like, what does good look like, what are the outcomes, and be able to measure and what are the impact of potentially not having a diverse and inclusive environment. The data is clear.